When you have multiple sites and you want to implement the same tracking, the same measurement plan, a great tool to use is the import and export feature from Google Tag Manager. So let's explore that. First, go to the container that you want to export. Then you will go to admin section, move to the it export container. Then you will choose if you want to export a workspace or a specific version in the past. In this scenario, let's export the default workspace. You will see a screen like this, and you will see here that you have 9 tags, 9 triggers, 41 variables, and 0 templates. You can deselect this so you can export specifically what do you want to share in the other container. You don't have to export everything, right? In this case, I will do that because yes, I need all these variables and triggers and tags. Let's export this. Awesome. Now, as you can see here in my downloaded files, I have a JSON file that actually, if you are curious, you can explore and see all the things that a container has. But let's move to the container that we want to use as a new container. So I will go back here. I will search for my account, Analytics Engine, and we will click the three dots here, create a container. Awesome. And we will name the container, let's say test container. You have to create the same type of container that you import in the last, that is the same, it has to be the same container, right? So the previous container was a web container. We will use the same here. Awesome. Let's choose the web. Now create. Beautiful. So we will not ignore this. Let's close that. Now we will move to admin section as we did in the previous step. Now let's import a container. Choose container file. You will prompt to this screen. Let's go to downloads. Awesome. Let's open this. And normally the default option is to override. We don't want that, okay? We want always to merge. This container is empty, right? It doesn't matter, but maybe you already have some things, so I don't want you to mess with your container. Now merge, and now let's choose override conflicting tags or rename. I normally choose rename in case there is something weird. And now let's choose a workspace. Let's choose existing container, but you can create a new one. Now in the resume, you will see like what is the diagnosis before importing this. So we have 9 new tags, 9 new triggers, 36 variables that were imported here. If there is something that has a conflict, it will show here on modified. If you select another option like override, you will see all the tags that will be deleted. All right, so be careful on this step. Next, let's confirm. And you will see all the tags that were loaded here. As you can see, this is in the workspace. This is not published yet. So next step, normally you would like to override variables that are in the container you exported. So in example, we have a measurement ID here. So we will not need to update this according to your new GA4. Maybe this side has a different GA4. I don't know. Maybe you have to check, right? Yeah, we have a conversion ID. You have to override this, of course. So after overriding with the new data you should have at hand, you will pass to a phase that you want to test the container. Never publish a container without before checking the impact and how it will look like in production. That's all, guys. Thank you for your attention here. And please write me if you want more Tag Manager videos or you have a use case that you don't know how to solve. Best wishes and see you soon.